So just look at it, just look at it. As far as the robot, and you have the confirmation from the strategy, as far as the robot confirming for you, just stacked liquidity. As far as price tap into the zone, just stacked liquidity. I repeat, please, stacked liquidity. If you stack liquidity, that is how you can be able to see the magic here now. This is how you are going to see the magic now. This is how you are going to see the magic. It will be a snapper entry. Anytime market break structure, we buy again. Anytime market break structure retraces, we buy again. Order flow going up, order flow going up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher lows, because we are buying in the major direction of the trend. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and let's dive in. As far as you have the confirmation from the robot, look at it here, just place your trade. You get confirmation from the robot, place your trade. You get confirmation from the robot, you get confirmation from the strategy, stacked liquidity. Simple, stacked liquidity. Simple, stacked liquidity. Don't complicate any issue, don't complicate anything. Simple as that, stacked liquidity. This is what you need to understand with what you call boom and crash magic bomb AI spike detector, using what we call a high snapper entry trading strategy. So let's dive in now, because I'm going to show you exactly how you can be able to get high snapper entry trading setup and high liquidity exit setup, catching spike trading the boom and crash, using what we call boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy, and also using our boom and crash AI spike detector. So let's dive in and see what you can be able to do now. As I said in today's video, we are going to talk about boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy review, which is the February review for this 2025, which is a special boom and crash spike catching strategy that we use to release update every 50 to 30 days regularly. So you have a new update now. So if you make sure you are getting the strategy, kindly contact us through our website or contact us through the Telegram channel, and make sure you use the same email you use in activating the strategy, and you should be able to have a good access with the boom and crash special magic spike strategy. So let's dive in now. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about new updated review. What are the new update review we have on the strategy? I'm also going to second one, I'm going to also give you what we call the good entry point, which I'm going to give you a nice good entry trading setup to catch spike trading the boom and crash market, which is the second on the list. And the third one, I'm going to give you the good entry exit. Where is the major potential exit that you need to exit your trade before the major supply zone attack your trade? These are the second thing you need to understand. And in my bonus tip, anybody that's using the strategy and the robot, that's why I explain, if you get a confirmation from the robot and the strategy, kindly stack trade, stacked liquidity, stacked trade. If you get the confirmation from the robot and the strategy, we are using that as a final confluence detection for us to detect the next direction spike detection of the boom 1000 index, because this robot is technically built to trade boom 1000 index and crash 1000 index. We have reviewed the robot now. We have spike detector boom and spike detector crash. Spike detector boom only buy boom 500 and crash boom 500 and boom 1000. Then spike detector crash only sell crash 500 and crash 1000 respectively. That is a simple explanation you need to have, where I'm going to give you this how to use sniper tactics. The sniper tactics that I'm going to show you, which is what I used to call stacked liquidity. Always make sure you stacked the liquidity. Stacked liquidity from the market, higher high, higher low formation, back trade. Lower high, lower low formations, back trade. I'm going to show you a good scenario setup that we can be able to catch spike in the main direction of the trend with a very high good to risk to reward ratio with this awesome boom and crash trading system. So let's dive in now. So on the first one, we're going to talk about new update review. I didn't make any serious review. We just have another this short dash moving average. You can see for those that have this another 20 moving average, which I'm not even supposed to display, but at least this is a premium video. I'm not going to display everything here. So as far as you are getting the settings, after you are getting the settings and everything, you should know that this is acting as your trend identifier support. What I mean by trend identifier support, if you are a scalper, you can use the 50 exponential moving as your identifier support. But if you are a swing trader like us, we can use also this 200 exponential moving average the same way in the same direction to identify the main higher uptrend potential drop. So if you are looking for an uptrend now, let's say this market is moving an uptrend, I'll be looking for buy opportunity. One market tap into this zone, you see there was a consolidation point here. So whenever market tap into this consolidation and we have a very good price action confirmation, we can be able to stack trade. Stack trade simply means buy again, buy again. Whenever market is not giving you what you want, or market is like, look at it here, you see we have a very nice entry trading setup. Like now, what I want to understand, if you have this final confirmation now, for those that have the strategy, I think I should be able to have the conflict settings. But if you are using the strategy now, if you should be able to understand that this red moving average, it's crossing upward. You can see it here. If there should be arrow, I should point it here. It's crossing upward. And see, as it's crossing upward, this 200 and also this blue short dash is slapping hand downwards. So it's telling you that there is more uptrend to come. So in that case, what you need to do, if you are going to use 0.5 as your normal loss size, you can divide it into enter with 0.2. Then if market go retraces by again, you should enter with another 0.1. Market go up higher again, retraces, enter with another 0.1. Market go up higher, retraces, older, enter with another 0.1. That is how to stack trade, and that is how you can be able to see you have a very small account and you should be able to grow it and flip it using the special boom and crash trading system. See, all these ones are live server where we stack trade. You see, we stack trade. You see, these are trade that was stacked. Boom 1000 index. You see, we stack trade 1 minute, 5 minutes. So any time, anyhow, price tap into this zone and we stack trade. You see, whenever market tap into our zone, we stack trade. We always stack trade. So that is the simple stack strategy that you can be able to see. Before you know, even though an account is a small account, let me show you this sniper entry for this account. You see this account, why it is. I need to show you this account because it's an account that I shared in the BFA group. Yes, it's an account. This stack trade. You see, look at it here. This one of my clients shared it to me. She stack trade. You see? Let me show you in chat. You see? They always stack trade. When market tap into the zone, buy again. That is how to stack trade. Then for the second one, which is I'm going to give you the good entry point and exit. The point you need to understand using this strategy is what we call swift liquidity and stack liquidity strategy. Let me show you what I mean. If you look at this market now, market has sweep liquidity for the first time, go back into the range. Price come and sweep liquidity for the second time, go back into the range now. So this is to tell you that market has swept liquidity twice. So we are just going to be stack trades. Whenever market sweep liquidity for the first time and for the second time, you don't have any option rather than to just be stacking trades. If you stack trade, we just stop loss below the next demand zone. That's how you are going to put your stop loss. The next possible demand zone, which is a key area of interest, that's where you are going to put your stop loss and stack trades. Put stop loss, stack trade. So you can see now, after market sweep this liquidity 2 times, what happened? Price come back and start trading above this red line, and also the second confirmation, price broke up higher, come back, and this red line had been supporting the price. Price was unable to continue break above it, and consequently price start trading above this black line. And as far as you have this strategy, as far as you have these settings, even though you do not receive confirmations from the robot, as far as price has broken above this black line and also this dot line with this red line, you have this second confirmation, this blue line break above this green line. Also, market has started showing from red to green or from green to blue here using this awesome strategy. And also the final confirmation you need to have, which will validate you to take your entry final to the entry trigger confirmation. You can see here there was a consolidation between buy and sell within the 0 level of the MACD, and whenever price start to trade above 0.0 level, you should be able to stack trade. You should be able to buy that market. You should be able to use this entity as a very, very good confirmation entity trigger to take your trade using the almighty boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy, which is a special strategy dedicated to all VIP signal members that are using my system, and also is the same strategy that we're using as a AI spike detector in order to make sure it detects spike consistently trading the boom and crash market. So that is how you can be able to get a high quality trading setup, a high quality entry trigger that you should be able to take trade. Let's check for crash 1000 and see a very nice trading setup that we may see. Look at it here. Look at it. See, price is supporting. Look at it. Price is supporting. Market is still trading down. I think we have a running trade. You see, we already full stop loss. I will even forget this trade. Look at it. This trade is reading over 500 pips on crash 1000 index. Look at it. We put our stop loss here, and we allow market continue going down, downward. Look at it. Just look at it, the daily chart. Almost how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 10 to 12 days holding this nice special boom and crash spike catching trade using our awesome boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy series. So that is how you should be able to get a high quality trade. As far as you see, the price is supporting the movement. You see, market price is trying to let the price continue trading below the black line and also the short dash blue line. You are just good to go. You are very, very good to go. You'll continue to see this setup trading the boom and crash market. Me, as I also tell you, I always buy boom and sell. See another trading setup here. You have gotten a nice confirmation. All the other scenarios trading below the black line and also this short dash blue line has confirmed. All the scenario trading below the green line using the blue line has confirmed. All the scenario for this consolidation on the MACD level below the zero level has been confirmed. And that is why you are able to see this market has been trending longer. Market has been trending longer. Market has been trending longer. That is the kind of position you want to take. That is the kind of entry you need to have. That's the kind of strategy you need to trade. That is the kind of system that should be able to give you anything you want to have from catching spike trading the boom and crash market. If you have never made money trading the boom and crash spike, kindly tear my DM. We should be able to start cashing out. We should be able to start making money. We should be able to trade the boom 1000 index and crash 1000 index successfully and make money. So let's move to my second to the last point, which is going to the exit point. So the third on our list, which is second to the last, is good exit point. You need to make sure when you are using the boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy, you should have a good exit point, and let me show you now. So let's go to boom 1000. So if you are a scalper, and you are only trying to scalp the market, this red line should be your barrier stop loss or exit. This red line you are seeing, this red line. If you are using this, you should be able to know the meaning of this red line. So this red line is should be a barrier for you using this awesome strategy. How are you going to do it? Number one, you should know that, let's assume this is boom 1000. So now let's assume I'm buying at this level. You see, price is helping me and supporting me to buy this market upward. So I'm going to make sure whenever price start to, like here, price start to trade below this line, I will hold. If post spike happen and price continue to start trading below it, I will exit. Like here, I will have exited this trade this here. I will have exited, but because we are in an uptrend and we are not scalpers, we are swing traders. Sometimes we hold trade for a swing trade. Sometimes we hold from one point to another. I'm also a daily trader, so my highest time frame I use is 4 hours time frame. So if you look at now on the 1 minute, market has been dancing and continue trading lower. You see, market has traded lower before it continue going up higher. So what I used to do, if I have two positions, often if price breaks below this black line and this short dash blue line, I will just exit one position and wait and see. If price come down, continue creating lower highs and lower low, I know that market has changed trend and market is in an uptrend, I'm going to exit the trade. But if I come and see something that happens here, market start to form higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You see, this is higher high, this is higher low, this is higher high. So confirm that this price will try to reverse, and if I buy at this level, market continue to go up, it will still come down, I will still follow the same rules. Make sure you are following the rules, you are understanding the rules, and you are executing the rules one by one. If you try and do this for yourself, you should be able to make money in the long run. You can be scalping the market, you can get 1x here, 2x here. Let me show you this trade now. You get a confirmation, you see, You get a confirmation by Boom 1000 index. By the robot, you just tagged price. Confirmation from the robot, you just tagged price. Confirmation by the robot, you just tagged price. Whenever you are trying to tag liquidity, you have already swept liquidity here because market have swept this liquidity and changed character here and started to renew upward. You don't need to worry about any form of inducement or liquidity because before you even enter your trade, liquidity has been swept. You are going to just stack the liquidity, stack the market in the opposite direction of the trend. And that is why if you are using the robot and the strategy, you will be able to make sure you have a very nice result trading the boom and crash market. So nice to have you now. The last on our list is how to use sniper tactics. So what is sniper tactics? So sniper tactics simply means identifying when market will produce a change of character for you to either go long or short on a trade. Let me show you an example. Whenever you see price, look at it. As I told you the other time, let me use this one. So you see, price has swept liquidity here. I'm coming. Let me even use. Okay, you see it here. So this one. Price has swept this liquidity before it go back to the range. Price tried to come and retest liquidity, but price was unable to retest it. So whenever you see this scenario happen, you see this black line and this short dash blue line is supporting the price up higher, and price was unable to come and break below this low to create new lower low. So if you have this kind of scenario, you don't need to have anything in mind. And see another one here. See, this one has swept liquidity. This second move, sorry, my screen is moving at some point. It's moving. The screen is moving very, very fast. I'm using iWires. I like iWires when I'm trading. So look at it. So here, you see, price has swept liquidity here. This is what you call sniper tactics, and this is kind of trade you are going to take, and you'll just be only stacking trades. You'll only be liquidity stacked liquidity, stack liquidity. If you stack liquidity in the main direction of the trend, you should be able to make good money trading the boom and crash market. And that is what I mean by the bonus tip that I'm going to give you using what we call sniper tactics. The main tactics is identify a range where market is consolidating. Whenever there is a liquidity sweep below that range, market come back into the range, you have gotten your final. You see, this market has been moving upward. You see, look at it. This range is almost 300 pips catching spike trading the boom and crash market. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.